Hello everyone, so today now let's look at the question 22. So before looking at this question, I need to apologize, right? Because something wrong with the printer, so it have something wrong in this question. I need to tell you AB equals to BC equals to 10 centimeter in this question, or you cannot answer this question. Okay, so now let's start. This one, we need to calculate the shaded area, right? So actually, I think you cannot directly calculate the area just by AB equals to BC equals to 10. So now let's look at this shape first. This one is a kind of sectors, right? And also there is a semicircle here. So maybe we can separate this picture into several parts. So part 1 is C, D, and this B. Part 2 is E, D, B. Part 3 is D, A, this shape. And part 4 is A, E, B, this shape. So let's find out, actually we need to find out the shaded area. Actually it's 2 plus 3. Now let's look at firstly C, E, B. We can write it by 1 plus 2. Actually, this one you can very easy to calculate. And also, we know 2 plus 3 plus 4. This one is a kind of semicircle. It's also very easy to calculate. So what else do we have? Yeah, we have a isosceles right triangle. So which means ACB is 1 plus 2 plus 4. So now let's look at some relationship between 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3 plus 3, 4, and 1 plus 2 plus 4. So you see, 1, 1. Yeah, maybe we can do the plus first and do the minus next. 1 and 1 should be cancelled. 2 and 2 also cancelled. And 4 and 4 cancelled. So what's the remaining part? Yeah, the remaining part is just 2 plus 3. It's our shaded area. Okay, I like it very much because we can just directly calculate the shaded area. So now let's have a look how to calculate this kind of 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3 plus 4, and 1 plus 2 plus 4. So we need to know one thing, how to calculate sector's area. So the sector's area is very easy. It's kind of, you need to know one circle is about 360 degrees. So a sector, how many degrees in that? So you can calculate this one is how a part of the whole circle. So the area formula is 360 n over 360 degree times pi r square. So this time, let's look at 1, 2. What's the r? R is just the BC. So actually is 360. This one, because it's a kind of right triangle, isosceles right triangle. So this part, the degree is 45 degrees. So it should be 360. The numerator should be 45 degrees. So you can calculate, the answer is 12.5 pi. And also 2 plus 3 plus 4, this one is a kind of semicircle. So what's the r? R actually in this one, we know the diameter is 10. So r should be 5. So this time it's 360. And now it should be 180 degree times pi times 5 square. Because this one semicircle is also a kind of sector, right? So the answer is 12.5 pi. Also minus 1 plus 2 plus 4. This one is very easy to calculate. Just 10 times 10 divided by 2. This one is 50. So after that, you can calculate the answer is 12 times 3.14 minus 50 equals to 28.5 centimeters square. So about this question, actually it's a kind of very strange shape, shaded area. It's hard for you to calculate directly. So we should use the exclude and include question to separate into several parts, and maybe this time you find out 1 plus 2 and plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then to minus the overlaps. So you can find out 2 plus 3 actually is the shaded area is what.